Lying is basically allowed in this industry. Many timeshare agreements contain a clause that absolves the developer from responsibility for anything sale reps say. It's often referred to by attorneys as the salesman's license to lie clause.
Because the company will not let you out. It's a first right of refusal.
Well, why would you sell me something like that where I cannot get out?
That's how the old contracts were written.
Why were they written that way?
Because it was through the government, sir. It had nothing to do with us. That's what I'm trying to explain.
So the government
if you
said
don't
that.
Leave it alone right now. You're going to pay more. I promise you with all my heart.
Just watch as that executive encourages his staff to stop at nothing to make a sale.
Our number one person in Orlando owns several weeks of timeshare. You know, you should own at least 1 week yourselves. And if you don't, lie and say you do.
If you change it right now, you're going to be stuck with paying the special assessments, and you have no way out because of the way the contracts were written back then.
Lying is actually a key strategy for many timeshare salespeople. They will lie about everything from the ease of making reservations to the total cost of the timeshare. Salespeople even had an acronym, TAFT, which stood for Tell Them Any Frigging Thing.
We just had a guy in the room just a couple days ago that both of his siblings have had to go bankrupt because their parents left them with 5 different timeshares.
But a study found that 85% of timeshare owners regret their purchase.
I'm just trying to help you. So it's okay for me because I don't get paid on it. You need to understand that I don't. If you would have bought from me up at the top of the hill and I was in sales, I get paid on it. But I'm just trying to help you.
Well, you did say you get 1% when we were down there.
I do. So he ended up giving me 1% on it because of going through all the details with you guys again.
Even those who initially enjoyed their timeshare might end up wanting to get rid of it, either because they're getting older and not wanting to travel as much, or they're just getting tired of going to the same place. But the problem is, whatever your reason for wanting to leave a timeshare, you will soon realize it is very hard to do that. And that is because many agreements contain a so-called perpetuity clause. That means that the purchase, as well as all those regular maintenance fees, are a non-cancelable lifetime obligation.
Why didn't anybody tell me that if you purchase this, you will never be able to get rid of it? Why didn't anybody say that?
So you just know this, if you come back, the next time you're back, because on the account you're going to have a price freeze for.
That doesn't even sound legal either.
Well, it is. I promise you it is. We had to cover it with every customer. So it is legal. Go get an attorney, but I will tell you this. When you do the attorney, you're going to pay more than what you just did to fix it.
You just heard him say it. Go get an attorney. And the reason why is because there's just one thing most owners don't see. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Most attorneys timeshare owners talk to about getting out usually represent the exit company, not the timeshare owner. Here's what's different about Newton Group. Gordon Newton, the nation's leading timeshare exit expert, founded both Newton Group and is the majority owner of the nation's leading timeshare consumer rights law firm. Featured in Bloomberg, Forbes, and major networks nationwide, that's how Newton Group puts actual legal representation in front of you. Real attorneys representing you directly. And that exact structure is also why it often costs less, not more. It's like going factory direct, but for legal representation. No middleman markup. But before you make a move, you should know that timeshare owners who get out clean almost always download the consumer's guide before they pick up the phone to call anyone. The ones who don't usually find out why the hard way. Download the free consumer's guide to timeshare exit, link below.